About to make a boomerang to promote this video really quick. Just give me 1 second and go. No, don't like it. 1 second. One more time. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do with it? Like this? Nope, that looks stupid. Hey, it's your girl Nate, back again with another video. And before we get started, if you're not already, make sure you subscribe. So go here in this corner, I think, and subscribe, and then continue this video. So I am gonna wand curl my hair today. It is like blown out, and I put some oil in it to moisturize it. The hair oil that I make, I put that on my scalp before I did this. Well, before I'm going to do this, I did that. So I'm gonna just like blow it out real quick with my like brush blow dryer, and then I'll get to wanding it. Let me just start. So I'm gonna turn this on. This is the Brilliance New York Diamond hair wand. I bought this like from one of those stands in the middle of the mall like 3 or 4 years ago. Actually longer than that ago, like 5 years ago. And this is the most bomb hair wand that I've ever had. I never replaced it. That's how you know. So I don't ever put it on the highest setting. So the highest setting on here is 230. I'm gonna put it on 200. 200 should be good. Anytime I'm recording, Marley, be quiet. Nobody in this house want me to be great when I'm recording. Yeah, you're going. Bye. All right, I am back, and my battery's dying. Of course it is. So I am back, and my camera is deciding to let me use my spare battery today. So let's take advantage of that. All right. I don't have a comb. That would be a good idea. So I am going to use my brush blow dryer first and just blow it out really quick. Divide it like that. Put this side in a ponytail. I'm gonna do this side, but I'm gonna start in the back. So I'm gonna put the front in the ponytail. And we'll start back listen, I knew it was gonna be sooner or later that I burned myself doing this side of my hair, because I'm just not good with doing this side of my hair. So I just burned my ear trying to do this, but I'm almost done. And this, I keep knocking down the wand curler too, but this side is popping. It's popping. Give me 1 second, I'll be back, and I'm gonna be done. And hopefully only got one burn. So I'm finally on my last piece with no fatalities. Except the top of my ear. It'll recover. But we about to see how this came out real quick. All right, now. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Now I think I'm cute, but I'm not because my eyebrows still look a mess. But here we go. Here we go. Yes. So this is like, this took me 25 minutes, and it's just a quick way to do something to my hair without really putting a ton of heat to it. I mean, it's still heat, but I only keep it on for like, I only keep it on for 10 seconds a piece and take it off, and I never like redo a piece more than once. I do big chunks, and when I blow dried my hair after I was done, it was starting to not be straight anymore. So my dog do the absolute most. So we done. Yes. This hair is back popping. My blowout it was already like done. So usually when I wash my hair and just blow it out, after it starts to like get tangled and stuff again, I'll do something like this so that it looks nice, but I don't have to like hard like flat iron it. Because I did this without having to flat iron my hair first. I just did it straight from being blow dried to wand curling it, and it still looks fine. It didn't have to be straight, and that way it has more volume. Like your wand curls are not just really thin and sticking to your head. It's like volume. So volume. So it still looks nice. I'm not going anywhere, quarantine things, but maybe I'll just take some pictures. I'll just take some pictures at home by myself. But that is the end of this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and watch my other videos. And I'll be back next week with another video for y'all. All right, bye.